Hello, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make holes in Rambars for lights. This can be for any type of light, but primarily in this tutorial, since I primarily use ions, I will show an ion hole being cut. Now, as you can see, there's already holes present that came with the bar, and you can model these in Blender as well, but I'm going to show you the easier way, which is modeling them via Zmod. So, we have the whole bar here, and I have already gone ahead and detached the sides that I'm going to be cutting holes in. So these two. We don't need the bar anymore, and we also only need one of these sides because I will just be mirroring it. So we're just going to go ahead and delete this. I have positioned my ions where I want them, so roughly here, but as you can see, I also want to put a wrap on this. So I'm just going to move the ion quickly into the position where I want it to be. So right around here. Does that look good? Yes. Okay, we can get rid of the wrap again. So I'm going to scale these up by 100% on all axes, and you will see why we do this here in a little bit. I'll find the view that I want right here, and we're going to go ahead and select the mesh that we want to cut. Go to poly mode, and just select only the rough area that you want, that you're going to be cutting on. So pretty much any mesh that touches the ion only. So all these can go, and the bottom here as well. Okay, now we're going to start cutting. You see this tool up here? This is the slice mesh tool. And we're going to go ahead and make our top cuts first. Top cut like so. And our bottom cut right around there. Perfect. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and deselect again any parts that are not cut. So these, and then go ahead and make the side cuts. Right around there, and right around here. And again, we can deselect these. Okay, I want to do more detail on this. This is going to be showing, so I'm going to also cut the four corners. This is not necessary, but it adds detail to your vehicle. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, we can deselect these. Now, in reality, it's going to be so small scale that you're probably not going to notice anything, but I still prefer to do it this way. And we're going to go ahead and scale it back down to the original size. And just to make sure that it's the correct size, and yes, it is. Perfect. Now, one more thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and take our Rambar, or the side of the Rambar here, and we're going to go ahead and use this tool right here, the extrude tool, only on the x-axis, and we're just going to pull it back, so like so. And just to make sure that we're not outside of the wrap, it's not poking out, and it indeed is not. And you can see here is the hole for it. Deselect that. If we remove the ion here, you can see a nice hole like so. You can further cut these if you want to make it rounder, but it really doesn't make much of a difference if you put the ion there and you're going to be in game. You're not going to really be able to see that it's square cuts. Now, we're going to go ahead and create a copy and mirror it on the x-axis, and it does this sometimes. Once you attach the meshes, it will fix itself, and as you can see, it is ready to go, and we can reattach it back onto our main bar, which I'm not going to do right now because I'm going to custom model the wrap because one doesn't exist for this vehicle. Sure, it's as simple as that. Sometimes there's issues with uh, the reflections, as you can see right here. If you are able to, and we are able to quickly fix it by calculating the normals, which is wonderful. If you're not able to, you can easily import your mesh into Blender, shade flat, and then shade smooth, and it will fix the normals. Um, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and continue custom fitting the wrap and the lights. And that's really the tutorial. If there's any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I will try and respond as soon as I can with how work is going. Good luck trying to do this. Like I said, if you need anything, drop it in the comments.